Link3D offers advanced build simulation modules for estimating machine build time, material usage, and waste for part costing when preparing quotations or internal costing analysis. This includes costing that simulates for single and multiple geometries with manual or optimized packing. When an order has been submitted, facility users have the ability to simulate each order based on the following selections: material, 3D printer, 2D or 3D nesting, and several automated orientation strategies. Organizations can configure their own costing methodologies to generate an accurate quote in a matter of seconds. Link3D's build simulation engine applies material science, physics, and computer science for developing quotes and costing analysis. Link3D's simulation engine can also perform load balancing and help show users exactly how many runs it will take to complete a customer's order in 2D or 3D nesting views. Users can also batch multiple customer part orders for load balancing to produce the most effective costing strategy when developing quotes for customers. Generate quotes for single and multiple geometries in real time to support your internal and external client base. Reach out and connect with a Link3D representative to learn more.